Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mary. In today's video, I'm going to review the Dermaco 2% Alpha Arbutin Serum. The price of this serum is $4.99 for 30 ml of quantity. This serum comes in this cardboard box packaging. It has all the important details listed on this along with the ingredient list. They have the expiry date written on it as well as on the bottle, but the bottle one has already faded away, so I would say that make a note of it in case you're looking to use it after some time, or if you're planning to use it over a long period of time. The actual packaging, it comes in a opaque glass bottle and it comes along with a dropper. This Alpha Arbutin serum has a very runny, watery texture. On application, it gets absorbed quickly. It leaves a little bit sticky feeling, just like most of the serums. And make sure that you use a moisturizer after using this. Now, this is the complete ingredient list of this serum. They have mentioned this ingredient list on their website as well as on the product packaging. Now, most of the Dermaco serums and their other products does contain synthetic fragrance, but this particular serum does not contain any synthetic fragrance and it is completely fragrance free, which is why I picked this one up. These are all of the solvent and viscosity controlling ingredients that are added in this serum. These are all of the moisturizing ingredients. These are some of the preservatives that they have added in this serum. Let me quickly read out the claims that they have made about this serum on their website. Now, this is really long sentences, so I'm just going to read it. It says the Dermaco 2% Alpha Arbutin face serum reduces the appearance of dark spots and hyperpigmentation caused by acne or UV induced pigmentation. It is formulated with a higher 2% concentration approved by dermatologists for obtaining better and visible results. This lightweight serum also contains hyaluronic acid for supporting enhanced absorption rate, dissolving any chance of redness or irritation associated with the active. It will help fade acne marks, restore radiance, and improve overall skin health. Now, let me share my overall thoughts about the claims as well as my experience using this serum. I was very surprised to read the claims because everything that they have claimed, the product actually performs in that way. So the first claim is that it reduces the appearance of dark spots and hyperpigmentation caused by UV induced pigmentation and caused by acne scars. Now, first of all, when I read about Alpha Arbutin ingredient itself, it does help in getting rid of pigmentation and dark spots, specific pigmentation and dark spots which is caused by sun damage and caused by acne scars. So UV induced pigmentation would mean sun damage. It helps in getting rid of any tanning that you have because of sun exposure. I have been using this serum since the past 1 month and I have seen visible difference in my acne scars. The spots have reduced. It has faded quite a lot. It's not completely gone, but the fading has reduced a lot. Before I started using this serum, it was like there was no difference. It was as is, and it's very difficult to get rid of acne scars, and this is one of the most asked question on my channel, how to get rid of acne scars. And I also was looking for a good product that would work for this, and I'm happy to say that this works on acne scars. It may not get rid of it completely, but over a period of time it might. But in the past 1 month, I have seen this difference, that it has reduced my scars to a great extent, which I've never seen with any other products I've used before. They also say this serum is very lightweight, and that is very true. It has a very watery, runny texture and it is extremely lightweight, doesn't feel heavy at all. They also have added hyaluronic acid in this serum, so which helps in keeping this serum very balanced, so it doesn't dry out the skin, because it does contain hyaluronic acid to balance out the formulation of this product. But of course, you have to use a moisturizer after this. So they also claim that this wouldn't cause any redness or pigmentation because of this using this serum. So that is very true. One very big positive thing that I noticed about the serum is that it did not cause me any sort of purging, no breakouts at all. I was hoping that since it's the first time I'm using Alpha Arbutin on my skin, it might break me out, but it did not. It has a very balanced and stable formulation, and that is great. So this would definitely work very well for people who have not used Alpha Arbutin before. Apart from this, I also noticed a little bit of brightness and glow in my skin, and it was looking much more brighter, and my skin was glowing ever since I started using this serum. Now this also because alpha arbutin is an ingredient, it's a very stable ingredient that helps in skin brightening. I didn't notice any negative of this product as such. This worked really well for my skin so far. It's been 1 month and it did help me fade a lot of acne scars. It does give a lot of glow to the skin. So I'm very happy overall with this serum, and I would highly recommend this. This is also fragrance free, so this would suit sensitive skin people as well. So yeah, I really loved using this serum, and I would highly recommend this one. That is all from my overall review of this alpha arbutin serum. I hope you found this review to be helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. Make sure you're subscribed for more such skincare reviews, and you'll find a lot of these videos from the description box below. And that is all for today. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.